What's up everybody, welcome to another review video. Today I have these smart glasses from TQSKY. This isn't a finished product, this is an engineering sample. Yeah, this is in pre-production. They are going to launch it in crowdfunding, and thanks to TQSKY for sending this one for reviewing. Actually, they have reached out to me a few months ago, and at the beginning I was a bit skeptical. I have declined their request to review their product because I have never done any review of any VR glasses, and personally I'm not very fond of VR glasses. But they have told me that okay, we are gonna send you the product. If you don't like it, let us know which part of the product you don't like it. If you like it, go ahead, do a review, and if you don't like it, just let us change, let us improvise. I said okay, send the product, and after they have sent this product to me for first 2 weeks, I didn't even touch this one. Yeah, I know Philip and Kathy have been playing with this one. Like, they have told me, yeah, this one is good, you should try this one, you should review this one. I wasn't that interested, but the moment I have started using this one, bang, my world of entertainment has changed. Yeah, a lot of things have got changed. Like, I have been playing with this one for last 2 weeks. I've been watching movies after movies. I was playing games. I was flying drones, because this one has changed the whole perspective of entertainment of my life. TQSKY, the brand, they call it smart glasses because they provide different clips with these glasses. You can change it from a VR to XR, XR to VR. Yeah, we are gonna check all those, but before that, how much does it cost? They're gonna launch it in crowdfunding. The price will be $699 US. I think considering all the features and performance, this is a steal. Truly, the pricing is really very good, because this is an engineering sample and the final product will be far better than what it is now. Well, let's start from unboxing and check the specifications and features of this one. But before that, one request. If you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button. Please take a while, click on the like button and subscribe to this channel. I always provide my subscribers and regular viewers with honest reviews, so I wish you will support honest content, true content. As we have been using this one for a while in our HTT studio, we have already unwrapped and unboxed this one, but I have placed everything back inside the box to share the unboxing experience with you. You can see brand name is TQSKY, the model name is TQSKY T1 Slim. After opening the top lid of the box, there goes our user manual. There are a lot of illustrations and everything is written clearly. I mean, all the instructions are given clearly and it's in English, but the manual inside the original product will have many different languages other than English and Chinese. Okay, you will also get a TQSKY warranty card with all the warranty policy, and yeah, that's useful. Well, that's our TQSKY T1 Slim. Let's put this one aside and check what things we have got inside the box. You will also get a TQSKY T box. This one is actually a portable projection box. How to use this one and functionality of this one, we will talk about those later in this video. They have also provided a USB-C to USB-C cable and a cleaning cloth. As we have been using this one is a bit dirty, but you can see the brand name is written clearly in the cleaning cloth. Okay, I have talked about these clips, and it's so nice of TQSKY that they have included 5 different clips. These are actually for XR and this is for VR. There are many different colors clips included inside the box, and these clips are not only for fashion. Yeah, definitely you can use these clips for fashion. Depending on your surroundings, you can select any of these clips to get a better visual output. Here is our TQSKY T1 Slim. This one looks very nice, very fashionable. Most importantly, build quality of this one is amazing. Premium build quality, yet very light. This one only weighs 79 grams. The panels inside these smart glasses has a resolution of 1920 by 1080 and pixel per inch density is 3500. Also, this one can go very bright. This display panel can go up to 1800 nits. There are 2 buttons to change the brightness. There are 10 levels of brightness. I actually use the 3rd or the 4th level of brightness, and that's enough. This smart glasses also comes with very good directional speaker. This one is actually certified by Hi-Res Audio, so sound quality is top of the line, and there are buttons to control volume. Yeah, volume rockers are located on the right side and brightness control is located on the left side. Okay, they have also thought about nearsighted people. There are 2 knobs on the 2 sides. There are many people out there who wanna use VR glasses, but they have myopia, which is commonly known as nearsighted, so they're worried whether they can use a VR glass or smart glass or not. This brand TQSKY, they have thought about every people and they have added 0 to 600 degree myopia adjustment. So that's really amazing. If you have myopia or if you're nearsighted, then you don't have to use a glass with these smart glasses. You can directly wear these smart glasses and use these knobs to adjust myopia. I think the people in TQSKY have thought about all the different use case scenarios, so they're not gonna face any after sales issues. Another thing I should talk about are these nose rests. Yeah, these nose rests can be adjusted according to your nose shape. And these nose rests are very comfortable. These actually offers a very good comfort. Okay, how to change the clips? These clips are actually for extended reality and these are magnetic, so just put this clip on top of the smart glass and it will get attached by itself. The other clip, this one will actually offer you VR experience and this one is also magnetic, so it's very easy to interchange the clips. And yeah, these clips are also built with premium materials, so they are also very durable. Here comes the TQSKY T-Box. This one is actually required to connect your TQSKY T1 Slim with your smartphone. This one is powered by ARM Cortex A7 dual-core 1.2 GHz processor with Neon and FPU. This one can decode 1920 by 1080 videos at 60 frames per second. Also, this tiny little TQSKY T-Box comes with 5000 mAh battery and you can charge this one with any USB-C charging cable and charger. Well, it's very easy to connect this TQSKY T-Box with any smartphone and TQSKY T1 Slim with TQSKY T-Box. First, what you have to do is to press the center button and power on this TQSKY T-Box. Once it's powered on, this LED ring light will go on and it will actually show how much battery left with the number of LED lights. After you power on this TQSKY T-Box, connect the cable to the correct side. There are two USB ports. The top one is to charge this TQSKY T-Box and the bottom one is for data. So connect one part of a USB-C cable with this TQSKY T-Box and connect the other part of the cable with your TQSKY T1 Slim. And then you wear this TQSKY T1 Slim and all the instructions are already given on the display. Yeah, once you wear this TQSKY T1 Slim, you will have a 150-inch screen in front of you and everything is so clear. So if you have an Android smartphone, just go to your settings and select screen mirroring and there will be a pop-up window showing TQSKY T-Box WT. Select that one and voila! Your smartphone screen is in front of you and it's a 150-inch giant screen. Very good color calibration, very good sharpness, a very good white balance. As this is screen mirroring, if your smartphone supports extra dim, if your smartphone supports night light or dark mode, then everything is implemented into these VR glasses. The directional speakers are located near the ear and it's only you who can listen to this sound. This one is really very good for media consumption and the feelings of using this one is better than any other smart glasses. I prefer to use these smart glasses with this VR clip when I'm outside and I actually really love this clip when I'm in this studio because this one converts my studio into extended reality studio. Well, I have been using these smart glasses with my Switch OLED edition with all of my smartphones. And there is one more thing I must mention, that is flying drones, because my DJI drone has just become FPV drone. You're gonna watch what your drone watches, you're gonna watch what your drone records because you're gonna get that first person view. Now I can enjoy movies while I'm having my coffee or breakfast and flying drones again became fun. Well, I'm not gonna say a lot of things and lengthen in this video, but 4 points that I should mention. Number 1, very good build quality, lightweight. Number 2, very good display, amazing color calibration and sharpness. Number 3, sound quality. The speakers of these smart glasses I think is one of the best, if not the best, among all the VR glasses. This one also comes with high-res audio certification, so audio quality is also in the premium category. And finally, what type of value for money do we get for this package? I'm not gonna mention names of other brands, but if you're clever enough, then go ahead, search on Amazon and any other e-commerce websites. Let's check the prices of other brands, then you will understand how good is the price of this TQSKY T1. This one is gonna be available in the crowdfunding and there are some early bird discounts. If you're interested, all the links are given in the description box below. Go ahead, check those. Also, if you have any question about these smart glasses, or if you want to know more about XR glasses, AR glasses, VR glasses, just make a comment in the comment section below. I'll be happy to reply you. Well, that's all about this TQSKY T1 Slim and TQSKY T Box. If you have liked this video and found this video helpful, then please don't forget to click on the like button and subscribe to this channel.